three different products in our portfolio, everything to do with CNC machine, three core areas, tools, lubricants and software. We represent different companies for tooling, for lubricant and for software. One of the unique products that we have developed is a product called Fluid Edge. Now, Fluid Edge is a unique concept when it comes to coolant management. As far as HIMTEX is concerned, this is our second year of participation. It's always been fun to come here to see this wonderful city of Hyderabad. As far as people here, we are getting good qualified leads, qualified customers, mostly from the aerospace sector, mining sector. It has been a good 3 days so far. We would be taking good amount of orders from here. Let's hope so. And it's fun. We recommend everyone to come, participate, see this wonderful city and get good business.